do you mean by 10?
Yeah.
Network.
Even
for you, I say not better. Can you please tell us the name or the channel you are using, because you are ignorant to check the comment, you will see it there, brother. Check the comment, you will see it there. It's in the comment. I have dropped the name, the channel, time and again.
كبراتها تلتين إسنادة جيران الله خد جواتا خلتين كانتاتك ساعة الجي إسنادة إن جيران دلوا جواتا العلوائد هاجرات كانت يرتاح إذا زلا جواتهم حاجرين بتصوت زلوا سواتيني يقولوا كتاب سلزخون hopefully a comment تصحفوا
Live for the first half to come to an end. Actually, we are playing 37 minutes. That means we have at least 8 more minutes for the first 45 minutes come to an end. Let's see. I'm trying to get this now so that I can. I'm trying to fix the internet. Yeah, I'm trying to fix the network issue. I'm trying to get the network issue. The brightness. I increase the brightness. You can go to reach transferring live, but I cannot see anything from Eritrea Embassy Media. Is it a TV channel? Is it a TV channel? One. C'est ici. Je suis en train de regarder un match, mais ça ne passe pas bien. Eritrea est venu. So I hope in the second half things will be good. I hope in the second half we are going to get good interest. Just persevere and let's finalize 40 minutes of game time. Eritrea 0, Eswatiny 0. And Eritrea have gotten already 1 corner kick against Eswatiny. Eritrea got already 1 corner. So I'm asking the number of corner kicks. 1 corner kicks already. Eritrea got the first corner kick against Eswatiny. Guys, bear with me. I'm going to give you all the details as we move on. It's yes, Victor 00 Victor 00. That's already a fourth, and we want to see what happens. Thank you too for the appreciation. I appreciate that's one to bully me, and I don't know why. I want my best to bring you the best. I want my best to bring you the best, and we can bear into it that it's not easy. What kind of camera is this? Tell me, brother, what type of camera is this? We are in the 21st century. We already speeding. Even the speed, the embassy media that they are seeing in the comment section, I have searched to no avail. I'm not seeing any thing that it is anytime they will tell you here that you will sign. If you want to keep searching, keep searching. I've searched many of them, I haven't seen. So let's see that free kick from Eritrea. That's an Eritrea free kick. I hope that we are gonna win. Maybe which channel? That's Eritrea off the bandit. Trying to close to breakfast that clock. It's 0-0. Yes, I'm full. It's 0-0 as we head in. You guys, this channel is the best you can find so far. Actually, I appreciate you, Elias. Some of them are just telling me up and down. We don't have any channel. We have